In this video, I want to share 3 tips with you on why having an email list can help elevate your content creation journey as a creator. Hi, my name is Walter Strong, the host of The Huddle, where I share tips and tools on making live streaming easy for you as a beginner. In the land of content creation and online video, we are constantly seeing changes. We're seeing algorithm changes where it can sometimes make it challenging for your content to get in from the desired audience that you want it to reach. We're seeing changes in live streaming platforms and the change of ownership. And we're seeing changes with social media platforms where social media platforms come and social media platforms go. However, the one constant thing that you can have a part of your content creation process and journey is building and having an email list. For you see, having an email list will help you deepen your relationships with your viewer and your audience to having a community. And the first way you can do that by having an email list is building and deepening your relationship with your viewers. As I said before, social media platforms come and social media platforms go. But having an email list will help you to deepen your relationship with your viewers and your audience. Tip number 2, having an email list will help you to keep your audience up to date on the latest content that you're making, the latest events that you may be a part of, or just keeping your audience in the know of what's going on with you as far as you as a content creator and the content you're creating for them. And then finally, having an email list provides long-term value for you and your audience. An email list is a long-term asset that you have that over time it grows and expands. And as it grows and expands, it's going to build your reach and your influence. So having an email list to provide you these different things in these constant and changing times is going to help you to be able to elevate your content creation journey. And so the question that I have for you today is simply this: which of these 3 tips are you using to help elevate your content creation journey as a content creator on the platform you're creating content? Let me know in the comments section. And if this video has added value to you, do me a favor, subscribe to the channel, click the alert notification button, and join the conversation in the comments section on how you are elevating your content creation process. Hey, these are times we are constantly and seeing changes, but the one constant thing that you can have in deepening your relationship with your audience is building and developing your email list.